The software pathway does not require a software development plan as one of its artifacts. However, that does not mean that your program can't have a software development plan. We recommend that they do, right? Especially if you've got multiple vendors, you've got multiple pieces, you've got interoperability concerns, you're really going to want to make sure you have a software development plan. We don't mention that in the Go Bag resources yet. Doesn't mean we won't, but that's not a requirement of the pathway policy to have that. You're going to want to use the right CDRLs depending on how you're going to execute the software. I've seen programs that, hey, I want source code delivered, and some it's, hey, I've got my own. The program has their own DevSecOps environment, and that is the source of truth. And so there's no delivery of source code. So the program really has to think about the way in which they're going to execute and then use those CDRLs in the right way. We are going to have some other tactical guides that will talk about how to get the right things on contract, the kinds of CDRLs you might want to use in the program. It's not in this particular tactical guide, but it doesn't mean we won't have more in the future. So there are some more traditional artifacts that programs typically think about having that, again, are not required by the pathway, but it doesn't mean you can't use them. You can tailor it in the way that makes sense for your program. There's so many different ways in which you can do it. We're talking about what the policy requires here.
Yeah, and then that tailoring things in a way that makes sense for you to actually execute in the environment that you're in, that's what building out the Go Bag is really intended to help get at, is contextualizing the things specific to your mission requirements, your users, and then being able to design and build and execute your program in the way that's going to get you to those desired mission outcomes.